What's up, fellas? We back again with another 2-minute Tuesday, and I'm alone this time. But what we're going to be talking about is how to use cruise control on the C5 right here. And so I use this car to move down near Mexico, and I had to use cruise control a lot because it was a long, odd drive, and because of that I got to figure out exactly how it works. And so today I'm going to be showing you how that works, and some of you might be wondering why it's just like an easy thing to do, just turn on cruise control and it's that simple. But I mean, it was a little bit confusing for me at first. There's a few different buttons, but let me get right into it and show you. Alright fellas, so we're in the car right now, and I'm just going to explain how the cruise control works here. So you have this little switch here that says cruise, so obviously you want to switch that to on. And so the part that gets kind of confusing after that are these buttons that are on the side and on the front here. And so you press set to set, and now you can see it's set to 76 miles an hour. And if you push this switch forward, you can see it'll go up. And now it either goes up by 1 or 2 depending on like timing and stuff like that, but sometimes it's hard to figure out. So when you click it, I click it, it went up by 2, now it went up by 1, I press it again, and it's going up by 1 at a time. And now if I press the outside button, it's going to keep going down. And I'm going to keep spamming it because I'm getting close to this guy. But what's always funny is if you're trying to get a certain mile per hour, like the first time you do it, it does 2, and then it goes up by 1. So sometimes it's like if you wait for the number like that, so we're at 66, I press it up, 67, and then now I'm waiting down, 66, 65. Well, it's not doing it now. I guess I'm stupid or something. But sometimes it goes up by 2 and sometimes it goes up by 1. But yeah, that's how the cruise control works generally. I'm not 100% sure what makes it change by 1 or 2, but that is just how it works. It's pretty simple overall, but it was confusing for me at first. So hopefully this helped you. Hopefully you understood that. It wasn't that hard to grasp. I just don't know exactly. I don't know why it goes up and down by 2 sometimes and sometimes by 1. I still got to figure that out. But that's the only thing I don't really know how it works. After that though, it works really well. Sauce that bad boy in 6th gear, and it's simply that easy. But either way, I hope you enjoyed this video, and come back for more later if you want to learn more or see more about our cool cars. So I'll catch y'all in the next one.